Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Living in Omaha. In today's video, we're going to go over a few different home improvement projects that see the highest return on value in Omaha, Nebraska. For your reference, these numbers came from a 2024 cost versus value report completed by the Journal of Light Construction, specific to the Omaha, Nebraska housing market. If you'd like to read the full report, I've included the link down in the video description. So it's pretty easy to assume that if you put money into your home, you'll be rewarded in the future when it's time to sell. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The return on investment for home improvement projects can vary significantly. In fact, some people don't even come close to recouping the original costs. Now, as a homeowner, it's important to understand how much of a return on investment you'll see before you decide to spend tens of thousands of dollars on home improvement or renovation projects. So, what factors determine if improvements will add value at resale? Well, current local real estate market trends and buyer preferences are the most significant. That's why it's important to stay up to date on these things. Now, one easy way to do so is to follow us on YouTube. There's a quick shameless plug for you. Now, let's get into the numbers. They'll probably surprise you. We'll start with our highest return on investment home improvement project, which is a steel entry door replacement. Replacing your entryway door with new 20-gauge steel is a great home improvement project. Make sure that you buy a dual pane, half glass panel door and include a brand new board lock. Now, don't skip on the lock. Pick a model with nice finishes to complement your door. Door casings in colonial and ranch are popular styles which most people find agreeable. Also replace your aluminum threshold and add a composite door stop. No more springs. It's also worth noting that the front door is one of the first things a potential buyer looks at and is the first physical interaction they have with the home. Having a sketchy old door that barely closes and a lock that barely turns sets the tone for the entire home tour in a not so favorable way. I recommend that you avoid painting your new door. But if you're one of those people who absolutely has to paint your door, I would consider repainting it to a neutral color or finish before listing your home for sale down the road. Colors can be very subjective, and many times the first feedback I've heard from my clients when showing them a house is, "That front door color was awful." Quick administrative note for the video. The average project and job cost using this data includes the price of labor. So if you'd like to do these yourself, you'll have a higher ROI than what's presented here. Coming in at number 2 is replacing your garage door. According to Forbes, the average garage door is opened and closed 1,500 times per year, which is 3,000 traverses annually. So, an average person owns a home for 7 years, which means that in those 7 years, that garage door has made about 21,000 traverses. Bottom line is, wear and tear is unavoidable when it comes to your garage door. Not only can clunky, screeching garage door be an annoyance, it can also be a major red flag for buyers. Thankfully, replacing your garage door isn't terribly expensive and has an excellent return on investment. Make sure that your new garage door is made of high tensile steel and is properly insulated, including thermal seals between panels. Also, be sure to upgrade your existing track to heavy-duty steel. The motorized garage door lifter or opener often has a longer lifespan than the garage panel and tracking. If your opener is still in good condition, you don't necessarily need to replace it. But if you do, I highly recommend selecting a system that includes a transferable warranty. Not only is this peace of mind for you, but is also a big advantage when it comes to reselling your house. Number 3 is adding decorative siding to the front of your home, specifically using manufactured stone veneer. If your siding looks like this, you should really consider adding a continuous band of decorative stone to the facade. The bottom third of the facade should be covered, but also consider covering the entire front of the home in certain areas to enhance the appearance, and that depends on the build and architecture of your home and your budget. Expect to use about 300 square feet of veneer, but obviously that will vary according to the size of your home. Manufactured stone veneer is an excellent option for material. Not only is it very durable and appealing, but it's affordable and holds its value well. Stone facades add a clean, stylish contrast to the exterior of your home and can really set it apart from nearby houses that have only vinyl siding. Number 4 is a minor kitchen remodel. Kitchens are the highest use area of a home and one of the most important features to potential buyers. An old, outdated kitchen can be a deal breaker for many potential buyers. If you still have tile countertops, it's time for a change. As the years go by, make sure that you're keeping the style and features of your kitchen updated. Minor kitchen remodels hold their value well, will increase marketability of your home when it's time to sell, and you'll be able to enjoy the updated amenities every day. Also, you don't have to do all of these projects at once. So, what goes into a minor kitchen remodel? Here's what's recommended. So, you can keep your existing cabinet boxes, but replace the fronts with new shaker-style wood panels and drawer fronts. Painted cabinets have become much more popular than natural wood. Be sure to add sleek new hardware to those cabinets as well. Second, replace your outdated stove and refrigerator with new energy-efficient models. Stainless steel appliances are the standard and very popular here in Omaha. Number 3 is replace your old kitchen sink and faucet. For sink material, try to avoid porcelain and stainless steel sinks if possible. Composite and enamel sinks are popular, but also consider cast iron or fire clay. Pick a faucet that flows well with the sink, countertops, and cabinet hardware. Single handle, pull-down faucets are the standard in our area. Consider upgrading to a touch control model for added functionality and flash. Number 4 is rip out your old laminate or tile countertops and replace them with polished stone. Personally, I recommend using quartz countertops for the kitchen because it's very durable, cut resistant, and stain resistant. Granite is a more affordable alternative than quartz, but does come with some disadvantages. However, you can't go wrong with either. Complement those new countertops with a nice tile backsplash. The backsplash should cover the entire wall between the countertop surface and the bottom of your overhead cabinet. And last is flooring. It's time to get rid of your linoleum flooring and replace it with a modern, resilient material. Luxury vinyl planking, also known as LVP, is an extremely popular choice for both its price and performance. LVP is waterproof, scratch resistant, and easy to clean. It can also mimic either natural wood or stone. Tile is another good choice, but can be significantly more expensive than LVP. And our final home improvement project is window replacement. If your windows are showing signs of aging and aren't doing a good job maintaining the temperature of your home, it might be time to upgrade. Double hung, insulated, divided light wood windows are recommended. Pick an aluminum cladding that complements your existing siding. The shutters and exterior casing can be replaced easily without disturbing your existing siding. Well, that's it for the video. I hope that you found this content informative and useful. If there's one major takeaway from this video, is to make sure that you consider the return on investment your home improvement project will have before spending thousands of dollars on your home. Soon, we'll be making another video featuring the worst home improvement and renovation projects from a financial perspective. Be sure to check it out. Once again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.